Dupli-Color Tire Paint. We are on week 9. I missed week 8, so thank y'all for being here. I appreciate y'all. This is gonna be the week, what did I say, 9 update. All right, so haven't done anything to this since we applied it. Just been maintaining it. And take that back, I did say I did do a live Facebook feed. It's somewhere like here to here. Yep. I did real quick of the clear. Somebody asked me about the shine and gloss on it. Hey, how can you ramp it up after you apply the black? They make Dupli-Color clear. So you got TP100 and TP101, I believe. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Let me know below. Maybe I forgot. All right, so appreciate y'all being here. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Give me a thumbs down if you don't. And please consider subscribing. Okay, so what we're gonna do real quick, I got some Purple Power Vehicle Boat Wash. Get this at Walmart, $7 a gallon. I'm gonna put it on here really quick, and then I'm gonna use my brush, and then I got some pH neutral soap. I'm gonna go around again. I need to save the rim for another video I got going on here in a minute. So here we go. We got clean hands. I'm gonna show y'all, I guess, a dirt smear. Y'all can see we are dirty. Okay. My wife has been driving. My wife's an ER nurse, so I know y'all are aware probably about everything going on in the world. Just praying for everything that's going on, but she's been driving a lot. She's working more hours, so these tires and the vehicle's getting driven a lot more. Okay, so anyways, we're gonna get right to it. We're gonna get with this and put it on there, let it soak. The ratio is gonna be right at about 5 to 1. All right. So we got our Marilex Axle 2000. Let it sit on there. We're gonna take our brush. We're gonna go around it. Okay. Not afraid of it. Okay. So hope y'all are having a great week. Sorry about the delay on the videos. I have been extremely busy with everything going on, and then also my wife working, because every time she comes home at night, I have to go inside the car and decontaminate and sanitize it. So anyways, we're gonna rinse it off with a pressure washer, and then we'll come back real quick and hit it with some pH neutral soap just to kind of be hard on it. Okay, here we go. There's the rinse. All right, and then I'll rinse this off really quick, dunk it in our pH neutral soap, and just give it a good scrub. Okay, so anyways, this stuff's acrylic based, $6.99, readily available at O'Reilly's and AutoZone. The other thing is, if you're getting good at get the clear, use O'Reilly's. Do not go to AutoZone. They don't carry it anymore. I asked the guys there. Okay, so we're going on 9 weeks, acrylic based, doesn't sling, dries super fast. I've compared it to 2 other products. It's great. Okay, it's just awesome for the value. I can do over 50 tires with a foam applicator with this. It's just awesome. You're just getting a lot of value for your money. I can't say enough. All right. All right, we're rinsed. Okay, let's get that out of the way, and let's use their towel really quick. There we go. Give it a good dab. Got some nice 85-degree weather here today, so these tires will be drying pretty darn quick. Okay, dab, 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 dab. Yeah, let's make sure. Okay. All right. Ta-da! And here, clean hand. Nothing, baby. That tire's looking really good. All right, I'm gonna dismount y'all and show y'all the close-up. It is dry. You just saw my hand. There you go. There you go. Looking beautiful. We're at week 9. We're going almost 10 weeks now. We're over, you know, we're over the, we're over the 9-week mark. Okay. So anyways, I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for following me on this. I'm gonna do something different here soon. I'm gonna show 2 different fallout removers here in the next video. So anyways, hope y'all have a great night. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Keep it simple. I'll catch you next time.